Hey, what's up you guys? So today we're just gonna be filming a quick video for you guys. Right now we're heading to the park because that's where we gotta film it. Because it's gonna be a bit messy to film indoors. I got Ashley with me, I got my sister, but my sister is not gonna be here. Just me and Ashley, we're gonna be doing, you'll see. Oh, by the title you'll already see. It's gonna be like a mini vlog and the watermelon pop thing, challenge thing. I don't know if it's challenge. It's not a challenge, but yeah, it's a watermelon pop with a bunch of rubber bands. So yeah, you guys know what's up. Hopefully it pops. I have limited rubber bands because I had to buy 3 packs of assorted rubber bands and then pick the big ones out. So let's just hope I have enough to make it pop. Sounds funny. Alright, so yeah.
Same thing.
Alright, so we found our spot. We're gonna be setting up now. This one.
What? We never come to this.
So
yeah, because it's mostly reunions here.
that's gonna be a
If
spot.
there's nothing on that table.
So as you saw the first clip, we're gonna be doing the watermelon pop thingy with the rubber bands. I always say thingy. We got limited rubber bands, but we're gonna try to make it work. So let's just get right into this. Okay. You gotta help.
It's not safe.
Alright, here, well, you gotta take her, you'll take it first, and then I'm gonna take
My finger keeps getting stuck.
oh! So manly.
Yo, you sounded like a hawk.
Rubber bands on my side are almost finished already, and there's no sides. Oh, B. Oh, okay. Yeah, that was a B attack. So, what the hell? Oh.
Is it gone?
Yeah, it's gone. Okay, no signs of popping. This is a little watermelon. Watermelon? This is a little watermelon. So, come on. Let's go.
Pause. Okay. Maybe we should just like.
Okay, give me this. I'm gonna put them on my side.
I still got one.
You got one more.
Ay! Papito!
You know we should have brought the small one?
Palachulo! I hope you keep that in the video.
What, palachulo?
Palachulo.
Ay, papito.
Ay, papito.
Oh!
Well,
Wait, okay,
it was a fail.
No, it's not a fail. Here's what. I got more rubber bands. I'm gonna get some, and we'll come back and we'll finish this, okay? We'll finish this. I'll be back, baby. I'll be back. Alright, guys. So I'm back. That was a heck of a run. I got this much more. It's just a small one, so we're gonna make it work. Oh, we got some more here. So we're gonna try and make it work. Oh my god. Let's do this.
These are hard to... It's like sizzling right there.
Ooh, there's like water coming out of it. So it's gonna pop.
Water smelling.
It's gonna pop any second minute now.
Any second minute now.
Oh!
That's stupid big!
Okay.
And what is on the pot there?
Come on, come on. I'ma say, let's say,
Let's go more to the bottom because
I got 30 more rubber bands and it's gonna pop. 25, 25. How much?
35.
35. How much of it? Give me an input. How much?
6 pause.
60?
Pause.
That's 3. 3. Come. 4. 5.
Time up. Time back.
6. 7, 8, 9. That's 3. Nine, 10, 11. Unexpected! Oh my god! What?
It popped!
Oh, holy shit! Oh!
God!
Wow!
Let's eat.
That's crazy! What? We were so wrong! It only took... oh my god, my camera is all messed up!
This is so good though.
Wow, look! Oh snap! Look at that! It is so heavy! Wow!
Oh my god.
That's crazy. It's all over me. Oh, my camera's all messed up.
I didn't see it coming.
Let me eat there. My glasses. It's on my.
I didn't see it coming.
Oh, look, my shirt. Let me see. Where is it?
I wiped it off.
I really didn't expect that to happen.
Neither did I. I thought we had a whole bunch more.
Wow.
And the thing is, I wasn't paying attention.
Because the thing is, I put an input of 25, so I was expecting to go at least 25. And it only took 10.
That same exact moment, I wasn't paying attention to the rubber band we were putting on. Exactly.
I was just there.
What? That's crazy.
Look at the other half.
Oh. Let's see.
Look how it split.
Oh wow.
Eat it.
That's crazy.
It is
Look
good.
how it split.
Well, we made a mess. We got watermelon. We'll eat now. I'm crazy. I'm gonna just give you guys some short vlog
You guys wonder where I came from.
around the park, and I'm gonna end it. But if you guys are gonna end it here, thank you guys so much for watching.
Do not do this at your house.
Yeah, do not. Look at the mess this makes. Oh my god.
It's very
I'm so thankful that we came to the park. Ah, what? This is crazy. Yeah, that was so unexpected. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, my glasses messed up. Peace. Alright, so just made a mess. My shirt is like peeped at. Oh, it's such a mess. Such an idiot for wearing white. Oh, that was so unexpected. Anyways, I'm just gonna fill this bottle up a little just to clean up a bit, you know. Don't want to leave the park bench too messy, so I'm gonna try to get as much water from the water fountain to fill up in here and try and wash the table off a bit. So yeah. Got a good amount. I mean, it's almost full. So yeah, I'm gonna wash the table off now. Just walk around the park a bit and yeah, end it there. Oh my god, my eyes is kind of hurting. It was like in my face. I don't know how good of a clip I'm gonna get from the camera. Also, I use my phone. Well, you know, so because you already seen that part. But yeah, so.
Should I move this?
Yep. Wait, nothing. Wait.
You're done.
Okay, we're gonna just whoop, try to clean that down as much as possible. Here's all the garbage. We already cleaned our stuff up, so yeah. Alright, so right now we're just walking around the park as promised. Just, I don't know, just doing a quick walkthrough. Make sure, you know, my park is clean and stuff. This park is pretty nice. Damn, my camera is like all sticky and not focusing that well. I think I just damaged my camera. It's getting dark. Kids still in here riding bikes. Where is your parents, young lady?
Right there.
Okay, we're coming up on the pond now. So, oh, I see a duck. A little duck. Little ducky duck.
You gonna put your stuff right here?
Look at the pond. There's frogs here. These like little frogs. Big ass frogs, I mean. Look at it. Look at his eye. Oh, this is nasty. People are nasty. Let's see if I could zoom in far enough to show you that duck that I'm seeing. We could see it. A little tiny duck right there.
I see it.
Oh, that's it?
Like it's that little thing right there.
Yeah, that's all the zoom this could go. Look, it's right.
I see it too.
Right there. Yep, right there.
I got it, a little piece of thing there.
Yeah.
So the water's so dirty.
You got it?
Yeah.
Look, okay, she took a picture, but okay, look, it's right there. Just focus in on the duck.
That little.
Okay, yeah. Yup.
It's gone. So hot.
There's frogs all the way around. It's nice out. All the lights are on. You know that means it's getting late and we gotta head home. Cause our mama's gonna kick our ass. Nah, I'm just kidding. So yeah.
Don't video that.
What? Don't video it. Oh snap! Oh snap! Ah! Okay then. Okay.
Don't video that.
Okay.
I'm
Oh.
gonna walk into the street.
I just hit my shin. Oh man. Oh, look at that tree. So big.
Hold, let me
Okay, this is Ashley vlog. Now.
Ashley vlog.
Ashley.
Going home.
He's still in pain because he walked into the bench.
How are you vlogging and not vlogging yourself?
I don't like how I look.
And then
so.
you're gonna be in it.
She looks ugly. Whatever. I'm joking. It's so beautiful out here. Last time we finished the challenge at 10 and your video was uploaded at 1.
Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It'll help me out a bunch. Like, and if you are not already, please subscribe to my channel for more. You could click right here, right now, if you're using a PC. Yep, you could click right here. I'll put an annotation for you, so it'll be easier, I think. I don't know. So yeah, thank you guys for checking this video out. Peace.